everyone, my name is Harsh. I'm a student assistant here at the Student Success Center at Lakehead University, Thunder Bay. Today I will be explaining on how to submit your co-op work term application. So all you have to do is log on to mysuccess.lakeheadu.ca and then click on co-op program on the left hand side, go on overview, and then you reach this page. So if you want to review the co-op information, you can go to lakeheadu.ca/co-op to ensure that you are eligible to apply, and also on your faculty website to ensure that you're eligible to apply. And you can contact the co-op office with any questions regarding your eligibility for a co-op term before applying. The email address is coop@lakeheadu.ca for any general questions or inquiries. So there's a $30 non-refundable co-op work term application fee, which is charged to your student account after the application deadline is passed. So you can select the co-op program to which you're applying. So you select the one. This is for the fall 21. It will depend on the term you're applying for. And then you can go through the agreement form, select your answers, and understand the questions and answer the questions below. Details, questions, all questions are mandatory. Unofficial transcripts. And you can click on submit application. Once you click on submit application, it goes to the co-op officer for review, and you will be contacted or via email by the co-op officer whether you have been approved or rejected for co-op. So thank you very much for watching this video on how to submit your co-op work application form.